Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about the topic solving the quadratic equations. Here we are going to learn how to solve the quadratic equation using the different methods. Okay, here we will use to solve the quadratic equation in three methods. The first method is factorization method. Okay, so all of us know using the factorization method how to solve the quadratic equation. This already we know that. Okay, so the second one is square method and the third one is formula method. Okay, so in these three methods we will use to solve the quadratic equation. Now let us see how to solve the quadratic equation using the factorization method. Okay, so in this factorization method also two ways you can do it. Okay, so now let us see how to solve this using the factorization method, how to solve the quadratic equation. Now see that example 3.26, the question is solve 2x square minus 2 root 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so I know that this is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means what is it? Degree 2. Degree 2 if you have in, that is called the quadratic equation. So now here solve means you are going to find out the x value. Here the variable, what is it? X. Okay, so we are going to find out the x value. That means factors you are going to find out. Factors means nothing but, so while which value while substituting instead of x, that value which makes the equation as 0 means that value is called the factors of this equation. Okay, so that x value only we are going to find out. Which value while substituting instead of x, it makes that value it makes that equation as 0 means that is called the factors of this equation. Okay, so now that you are going to find out the factors, that x value only you are going to find out. In this factorization method also two ways you can do it. Okay, so now let us see. First one we can see as by splitting the middle term how to factorize this one. Okay, so write that question 2x square minus 2 root 6x plus 3 is equal to. Now here how to split this middle term we don't know. Okay, so now let us see how to split that term. We know that product and sum. Product means what is it? The coefficient of x square with the constant term. If you are multiplying, that is the product. Okay, 2 into 3. So 2 into 3, that is 6. The next one, that afterwards in this middle term, the coefficient of x, that is the sum. Okay, so here sum is what? Minus 2 root 6. So which two numbers are possible? Which two same number while are multiplying you can get it 6, while you're adding you can get it minus 2 root 6. Like that you need to choose the numbers. Okay, so here the product is 6. So product 6 means you know that 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6. While you're multiplying you can get it 6, but while you're adding you cannot get it this one. Okay, so here the rational number you have. So the next one, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. While are multiplying you can get it 6, but while are adding 3 plus 2, that is 5 only we can get it. But here we need to get minus 2 root 6. So we need to choose the number, that irrational number, like that you need to choose. Okay, so how to choose that one? Now see, here 6 you have. So instead of 6 you can write, you know that root 6 into root 6 means root 6 2 times. If you multiply mean that value is 6. We know that or not? That means here that 2 you have square root 2 times. If you have mean you can make it 1 6 outside. Okay, so like that root 6 into root 6 means 1 6. Okay, so while are multiplying you can get it sit. While are adding you can see, for example, while are adding, how will you add it? The coefficient only we will add it. Okay, so that like terms, the coefficient only we will add it. So coefficient means here coefficient is 1. Here you can consider as a 1. 1 root 6x plus, that means root 6 plus root 6. So what it will come? 2 root 6. That means the coefficient only we will add it. While are multiplying root 6 into root 6, that is 6. Okay, so that we will see that here square root means 2 times instead of 1 6 we will take outside. But the addition means the coefficient only we will add it. 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6 means that is 2 root 6. So which two numbers are possible? These two numbers only possible, but we need to adjust the minus because the sum minus 2 root 6 you have. So how you can choose the number? Minus root 6 minus root 6. Now see, while you are multiplying these two numbers you can get it what? Minus minus. While are multiplying this one means minus minus it will become plus. Root 6 into root 6, what is it? 6. That is possible. So the next one you need to add it. Okay, so this two same number you need to add it. So minus root 6 minus root 6, if you are adding, what it will come? You know that in this addition minus minus symbol means add it. Same sign if you have, add it with the same sign symbol you need to put it. Okay, so here minus minus, wow, the coefficient is minus 1. Here the coefficient is minus 1 coefficient. Okay, so while are adding, what will you get? Minus 2 root 6 you can get it. So which two numbers are possible? These two numbers only possible. Okay, so minus root 6 while are multiplying you can get it plus 6. while adding you can get it minus 2 root 6, we know that. Okay, so in this middle term, instead of, you can write this 2 term. Okay, so now split and write 2x square. First term write 2x square minus 2 root 6x, instead of what you can write minus root 6x minus root 6x. These two things, this instead of, we are splitting and write this one. Okay, minus root 6x minus root 6x. Okay, while you're adding you can get it this part. Okay, so now after the constant term you can write. Next step, you need to split two term like that. You need to consider first two terms and this first two terms. Okay, so we need to take that first two term, the commonly what you have, we can take it outside. But here the whole number 2 you have, but here the irrational number you have. So this also we need to change it and rearrange it this one. Okay, so 2 instead of what you can write root 2 into root 2, can you write or not? Root 2 into root 2, that is 2 only. Okay, so this instead of we can write x square minus this also, how to write this one, root 6 instead of you can write root 2 into root 3. Root 3 into root 2 means that is root 6 only. Okay, so this instead of we can write. So the next, this 2 terms, first we are going to consider first this 2 term, after this 2 term. Okay, so now let us see. 2 terms means what is it? In between plus or minus if you have in, that is called the 1 term. Okay, so in here minus you have. Okay, this is 1 term, this is 1 term. Next, this here minus in between minus you have, this is 1 term. Next, in plus you have, this is 1 term. Like that only terms we will consider. Okay, here the first two terms we have split and right hand. So the next one, this 2 terms. So here also how to make the common thing outside we don't know. So can you split and write root 6 instead of, you can write root 2 into root 3x plus 3 instead of what you can write root 3 into root 3, can you write or not? Know that root 3 into root 3 means that value is 3 only. Okay, so now first this 2 terms we are going to consider. Next this 2 terms we are going to consider. Okay, so first this 2 term, which one is common we are going to see. Now let us see, this is 1 term, this is 1 term. Okay, so in the 2 terms, which are the things are common? Now let's see here, root 2 here in this term you have, in this term also root 2 you have, here 2 times you have, here 1 time you have, lowest power only we need to take. Okay, so that 1 time you can take it outside root 2. The next one variable, here x 2 times you have, here 1 time you have. So here also x you have, here also x you have, but here 2 times you have, here 1 time you have, the lowest power only we need to take. So 1 time can you make it outside? Now inside what you have, the first term. Now see, 1 root 2 we have taken outside, 1 root 2 we have taken outside, means remaining what you have, root 2. Remaining 1 root 2 you have, x 2 times you have, 1x we have taken outside, remaining 1x we have. Okay, so the next minus 1 root 2 already we have taken outside in this next term, 1x also we have taken outside, so the remaining what you have, root 3. Okay, so put at the bracket minus. Here in this 2 term, the first part you have the minus. Okay, so then only you are making the minus outside. Can you understood or not? The first term you have the minus. So if you take the minus outside, mean the first term it will become plus. So that's why we have taken the minus also outside. If you take the minus outside, means inside part what you have, minus part it will become plus, plus part it will become minus. Can you understood or not? So that first part you have the minus, so that's why we have taken the minus also outside. Okay, so the next one, this 2 term, this is 1 term, this is 1 term. Okay, in between plus you have or not, this is 1 term, this is 1 term. So in this 2 terms, which are the things are common? Variable is common or not? See here x you have in this term, but in this term the variable is not there, x is not there. So x commonly we cannot take it outside. The next one, here 1 root 3 you have, here root 3 1 time you have, here root 3 2 times you have. So but both the times root 3 is there. Okay, so 1 time can you make it outside or not? The lowest times only need to take. Okay, so root 3 you can make it outside. Root 2 here in this first term, the second term root 2 is not there, so you cannot make it outside. So root 3 you can make it. Minus also we have taken outside. So now the first term, minus root 2 we have taken, minus root 3 we have taken outside. So inside part what will come? Plus root 2 x it will come. Okay, this minus part it will come plus, because minus already we have taken outside. Okay, so this plus part it will become minus, because minus we have taken outside. So the next one, the second part, 1 root 3 we have taken outside, so the remaining 1 root 3 it will come. Next, how to write the terms means, the outside part first you have to write. Outside part what you have, root 2x minus root 3. The next one, the common part, same part only it will come. Okay, if you not get same means you did any mistake. So here you have got it the same thing only it will come. Okay, first you have to write the outside part, next the common part one time you have to write. Okay, root 2x minus root 3. Next you are going to equate, you are going to find out the x value, that factors you are going to find out. Now let us see here. In this question, this equal to 0, that is equation. Okay, so this equal to 0 they have given. This one only we have written this like this, we are splitting and written this like. So this equal to 0 mean this also equal to 0 only it will come. Okay, so then you can write equating the factors to 0 we get. So this equal to 0, so that's so this also equal to 0 only, so put it equal to 0. Next, now see here, this 2 times you have, same thing 2 times you have. So can you write or not? Root 2x minus root 3 the whole square is equal to 0. Here already we know that the left hand side square if you have mean right hand side also, can you make the square or not? You can see. If we can make the square means you can cancel it. But here the right hand side 0 only you have. 0 instead of 0 square, can you write or not? Because 0 how many times if you multiply 0 only it will come. So here 2 can you cancel it or not? Because this 2 if you take it, if you bring it this side means it will become here 2 by 1, it will become 1 by 2, then you can cancel it. So that's why no need to bring it this side, here itself we can cancel it. Okay, so now remaining what you have, root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Now we need to find out the x value, that solution x, the factor only need to find out. So root 2x is equal to this minus root 3, if you take it on the right side what you have, plus root 3, and then root 2, that is a multiplication of, if you are transposing on that side what it will come, division. So the answer is x is equal to root 3 by root 2. So this is the answer. This by splitting the middle term, how to solve. So this is the factorization method. This is one way you can do. Another way, you know that, so the method 2, in this factorization method 2 ways you can do. Okay, one is this way. After another way you can see 2x square, this is the equation, we know that. First 2x square minus 2 root 2 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. That this method already we know that. Okay, the product sum, the product what is it, 2 into 3, that is 6. Sum what is it, minus 2 root 6. After we know that which are the possible number already we have seen. Okay, so the method one we can we saw. So the same, these two numbers are possible. These two numbers while you are multiplying you can get it 6, while you are adding you can get it this one. So the next step what will you do? So the first method we know that in between, instead in between this middle term we have split it minus root 6x minus root 6. But in this way here the coefficient other than 1, the coefficient of x square other than 1 you have, that number you have to divide. This both number you need to divide with that number. Okay, so here other than 1 only you have, so 2 you have, so that number 2 you have to divide by this 2 number. Okay, so minus root 6 divided by 2 minus root 6 divided by 2. Here you know that here the irrational number like that you have, so this also you have to split and write. Okay, so now this root 6 how you can write, minus root 2 into root 3 divided by 2, how you can write, root 2 into root 2, can you write or not? Root 2 into root 2, that you know that 2 only, then only it is easy to cancel it. Okay, root 2 you can cancel it. Remaining what you have, minus root 3 by root 2. Here also same steps only it will come, because same number only we are doing. So here if you divide mean after split and write, if you cancel it same thing only it will come. So now how to write the factors? Here you know the variable is x, so x minus root 3 by 2. After next factor, x minus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 times you have that x minus root 3 by 2, the 2 times you can write. Here the square if you have in, that's here also you can make the square. 0 square means 0. Square can you cancel it or not? So the remaining what you have, x minus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to root 3 by 2. Now x value have got it or not? Therefore the solution is x is equal to root 3 by 2. Keep it in your mind. By using the factorization method, 2 ways you can do. Okay, so which is easy to do by splitting the middle term or this method. So anyway you can do that one. Okay, so thank you.